Hi, good morning. So I'll just want to share to you my OOTD for today. So this top, I bought this from Ukay for the love of Ukay. Yes, ako po ay laging nag-uukay and I find it na mas nakakatipid talaga pag bumibili ka ng ukay. Yung quality, it will last. At the same time, it saves you a lot of money. So this one, I bought this from my friend. This come from Ukay. This top is for only 20 pesos. And then slacks galing sa company where I used to work. And this one from Ukay for only 30 pesos. Imagine, 20, 30 for only 50 pesos. Meron ka ng outfit. Yung brand new lang yung shoes ko. And I thank the Lord because I found this. Alam mo yun, na-experience nyo ba na pag you found something na damit, parang it speaks to you na bagay sa ito, yung something na ikaw lang yung meron, something unique na perfecto sa personality mo, parang ganun. Na-experience nyo ba yun once nag-uukay kayo? Ang ganda, di ba? I love it kasi hapit siya dito and then so that's it. Punta na ako sa office. See you in my next video. Bye and God bless.